Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by adding the Lottie dependency to your module build. Gradle so the player classes are available. This is necessary because Lottie provides both runtime and view components. Once done, copy your JSON file into res/raw or assets so Android can bundle it. Make sure to enable view binding or be ready to call find view by ID in your activity or fragment. This lets you reference the Lottie animation view directly. These steps get your project prepared to display animations. You next add a Lottie animation view into your layout XML and give it an ID, size, and initial visibility so the view hierarchy is correct. Then in your activity or fragment, you set animation R, raw, file or set animation, file, JSON to bind the JSON to the view. This loads the frames and metadata. Make sure to configure loop and speed and call play animation when the UI is ready. These choices control user perception and performance. Also attach listeners for completion if needed. You finish by tuning performance and lifecycle handling. Trim unused frames from the JSON, set image assets folder when using external images, and ensure animations are canceled in on pause or on destroy to prevent leaks. Once done, test on devices with different CPUs and screen densities to confirm smooth playback. If an animation fails to render, make sure the Lottie library version matches the JSON export version and check logs for parsing errors. Mismatched versions are the most common culprit and are quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.